Hey you, hello and welcome. Today is a quick reference guide and tutorial for myself as well as for other people that might have this issue. So I have EZdrummer 2 and I want to use it in Acid Music Studio version 8. I had some problems getting it to work, but I got it to work, so I'm going to make this video. And there might be other ways to doing this, but this is the way that I looked around and worked for me. So I'm going to share that with you right now. Let's get into it. And by the way, Windows 10 is what I'm running. So let's go. First off, what you're going to need to do once you get EZdrummer 2, you're going to install both versions, 64-bit, which is right here on top, and then 32-bit. So you have two versions of it, right? Once you do that, I'm going to launch Acid Music Studio first. So let's go and do that right now. Okay, once you have launched Studio, what you want to do is you want to go to Insert. Now we're on Insert, go down to Soft Synth. Now you're in Soft Synth. Now you see EZdrummer comes up. That's the first one. And now you want to click and highlight that. You're going to hit OK. So there you go. There's EZdrummer. And now you'll be able to use it inside Acid Music Studio. Now let's do a few hits here. Okay, so there you go. Hope this was helpful to you. Let me know if you have a better way of doing this or if you tried maybe a different scenario. But this is what worked for me for the moment, and it's a reference guide to myself. And if you found it helpful, leave me a comment and let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.